Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. I am Pat from Pat's Path Predictor. In this video we are going to be covering a winter storm watch that has just went into effect for parts of the Midwest, including parts of North Dakota, Minnesota, South Dakota, and Iowa, as well as smidges of Missouri and Illinois. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications for more videos like these. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get going. Now, winter storm watch has been issued. This is for parts of the area in North Dakota and that area right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Yeah, parts of Minnesota and North Dakota. So what's going on? It's a winter storm watch is in effect from Thursday evening through Friday evening. Yeah, so that's good right there. Yeah, it doesn't say when it expires, so we'll talk about that in a second. What we're expecting is heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Portions of the northwest and west central Minnesota and northeast and southeast North Dakota. It goes from Thursday evening till Friday evening. The impacts, the travel may be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning. So yeah, there's a winter storm watch. A winter storm's coming in a couple of days. About 24 hours from now, it's going to start developing. We'll talk about that in a second. But yeah, it appears that a winter storm in the next couple of days is going to form. It's going to come down from Canada and start impacting parts of the Midwest. And we'll talk more in depth about this later in the video. Now let's go ahead and move to the second one, which is in effect for parts of South Dakota and southwestern Minnesota. As you can see right here, a winter storm watch remains in effect through late Thursday night through Friday evening. What we're expecting is heavy snow, possible snow accumulation of 6 to 9 inches in this area right here. Portions of South Dakota and Minnesota from late Thursday night to Friday morning. The impacts, travel could be very difficult. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details: northerly winds gusting near 25 to 35 miles per hour on Friday evening may cause patchy and blowing and drifting snow. So, yeah, already on top of the heavy snow that's expected, we're seeing some pretty powerful wind with this thing. So I'll have to keep a big close eye on that, and I'll update you as the situation develops. But anyway, we have one last one. This was issued in Des Moines, Iowa. So let's go ahead and digest this real quickly. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Friday morning through late Friday night. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches are possible. Locally, higher amounts are possible as well in central Iowa. It goes from Friday morning until late Friday night. The impact travel could be very difficult again. Easterly winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusts up to 30 will produce blowing and drifting snow. So, yeah, already we have a very interesting development right here. I'm going to actually check the NWS website just to get a little bit more insight. We have another winter storm watch right here. This one, 4 to 6 inches possible for the Quad Cities in Iowa and Illinois. Issued for Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, Tipton, Mesquite, that area right there, and even a couple counties in Illinois, Missouri as well. 4 to 6 inches are possible heavy snow for portions of the northeast Missouri, east central and southeast Iowa, and west central Illinois. This watch is likely going to get extended as time goes on, as the storm continues to develop and everything. Just keep that in mind. This isn't just this is just the beginning of what's going on. We'll take a look at the GFS model just to show you. When it's going to be, it goes from from Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. Travel could be very difficult. 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. Yeah, no new news right there. Let's go ahead and take another quick dive up. Let's see. Yeah, that area right here. Let's see. Okay, this is for parts of Minnesota in that area. So yeah, I think we covered all the winter storm watches right there. We have high wind watches in South Dakota and everything. Other than this right here, there really isn't that much extreme weather going on across the country. So this is the main area of interest right here, at least for me. So, all right, so let's go ahead and go to the GFS model. I'm going to see, yeah, this goes out 60 hours. So If this doesn't, this will probably end at the beginning of the storm and everything. But I will refer to the 12 Zulu or 6 a.m. readings basically after this right here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and at least see what the new model. Actually, before we do that, let's actually do the old model because that would make a lot more chronological sense. So let's go ahead and play that. As you can see, it develops over here. It starts actually. Let's go back a couple of frames, slow down a couple of notches. There you go. There it is. Develops in the Midwest, right here into Iowa, Minnesota, even into Illinois, Missouri. There it goes. It gets pretty intense right here, and then it starts wrapping around, and then it impacts parts of Pennsylvania, New York, that area. Let's actually go back right here. As you can see, it starts intensifying. The snow gets pretty heavy. Parts of DC will get a little snow, then rain into Pennsylvania. Actually, let's go ahead and go back a few frames. So there it is. It starts impacting parts of Pennsylvania, New Jersey. First is snow and then rain the eastern side, as well as the whole state of New Jersey. Then upstate New York will get quite a bit of snow, and then it should be over by the 18th, although there will be some lingering snow that hangs around. So yeah, this is basically it right here. The GFS also has another snowstorm hitting Wisconsin, Michigan, parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. There it is right here. Moving into upstate New York and New England, so that's pretty interesting right there. Let's go ahead and check the 1800 right here. So here it is. There it goes. It's the storm. There it is. It starts developing in the Midwest, and it continues down. There it goes. It intensifies by considerable amount in Minnesota and Iowa. This does appear to support a stronger system than it has in past models. Okay, yeah. It appears that it is indicating a stronger storm than expected than in the last one. So that's a very interesting way to see that right there. As the hours go on, we'll go ahead and as time goes on, we'll hopefully get some more of the new GFS model that comes out. So just to recap, this develops right here. This is indicating a stronger than expected system. Right here, moving into Illinois, parts of Missouri, that area. Yeah, Missouri, that area around Jefferson City could see some pretty strong snow and everything. Even parts of St. Louis could see some moderate snow for that area. And it appears that if this holds, we'll have to take a look at when they release the 72-hour. This might be a longer event than when it was because, for instance, this is basically right here. It would last in the St. Louis area for about 12 hours or so before moving, but if that holds, we could be seeing. But if this holds, we could be seeing a stronger storm than anticipated. Let's try that. It's gonna take a little while for that to come out and everything. I hope it does very shortly, so that way we can discuss it and everything, go through it. So, yeah, basically, this is the storm right here. And just a recap right here, there's the National Weather Service, the Winter Storm Watch. It's right now in effect for parts of North Dakota, Minnesota, South Dakota, most of Iowa, and slithers of Missouri and Illinois. That is likely going to get extended as the storm starts developing and as time goes on. It's likely going to get extended more towards the south, towards Missouri, Illinois, even into Kentucky, that area. So, and we could see winter storm warnings very shortly, in probably the next 12 hours or so, depending basically on how strong they expect the storm to be. Because, yeah, that being said, it's going to wrap up this video. If you want to know the difference between a winter storm watch and a winter storm warning, check out my winter weather advisory versus winter storm warning video. I will leave a link to that in the description down below. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. That being said, okay, this video is not over yet. They just got the 72-hour. There it is. We're at 60-hour. Okay. Let's see. It appears that the storm is going to stay around the Missouri and Illinois longer than the last model run. So they now could get up to 18 hours of snow now. So that's been confirmed. I was waiting for that to happen. Now the video is over. That being said, hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And with that being said, have a wonderful day, guys. Stay safe.